Alright, so this is gonna be a quick video showing all the cactus plumped up and how different they look when they're nice and plump. So when they get all full of water, they look a lot healthier. The bluers look bluer and the greeners look greener. So I'm just going to explain a couple of things. This one is Jack Sparrow. We had a sparrow that ate off one of the seedlings years ago, like 4 years ago. Right after we had bought the seedlings, we planted them. And the sparrow came and ate the tip off of it. Well, I grafted the tip to this rootstock right here. And that was the weird tip that the sparrow had eaten. And it popped out like 3 times. And so we got a lot more than what we bargained because we grafted all of those pups. And now we have way more cactus than we would have had. So we have this one. We have this one right here. The grafted one there. We have this one. Not that one. This one though. And this one. This one has some strange growth going on. I don't know quite what happened here, but it looks pretty strange. I don't know if it got injured or something, but that's the same cactus, and then this is the same cactus. So all of the pups that we got, and this is the same cactus. We just grafted them all. So when the bird ate it, I grafted the tip. The tip pupped out 3 times. And then the base pupped out 3 times. So we got like way more cactus than what we were intending to get. And it's a good thing because it's a really pretty cactus. It only gets 6 ribs, but it's straight Sanaguea Pachinoi. And we got this one. It's like really square. It's a Brachesii, Echinocerius or Trichoserius, whatever you want to call it. But it's a little bit more swollen today. Has some more meat. Looks a little bluer. It's just a plump, nice cactus. It's one of my favorites. We got this Brachesii showing some strange growth here. Some pretty funny looking growth. But yeah, a lot of the Brachesii show strange growth from time to time, and then they grow out of it with no permanent monstrosity. It's my super blue cactus. And a Lophophora bloom. They're always beautiful. We get hundreds of those a year, which I appreciate because any plant that makes flowers that much should be in everybody's garden. Anyway, we got Lophophora flowers over here. And here's Chief over here. And let's see, this grass and seedlings. Those are seedlings that I planted about 3 years ago. So that's 3 years of growth in the soil. 3 years of growth right there. Grown relatively hard. I like them to get nice and hot. 100 degrees plus makes them start growing like very rapidly. And this is really one of my first degrafted cactus. It's got some roots under there, and it's still making flowers, but it looks really, really, really rough. But when I bought it, it looked like that. And when I grafted it, it still looked rough. Now that I degrafted it, it still looks rough. So it just looks like a rough cactus. But it is the same kind of cactus as this beautiful thing. And it's really hard to believe that Freechii could grow like this, look all rugged and strange. And here's Gymnoclisium before the flowers open up. They open up about 1 to 2 later on in the afternoon over here. And this is a diffusa, Lophophora diffusa. It's really hard, really gnarly, really slow growing. It flowers a lot. Those are 4 dead flowers in there. We'll be getting berries on there pretty soon. You can see the berry here. This is a berry that got eaten off by a bug. Little beetles and stuff will come and eat on the Lophophora berry. But anyway, that's the Lophophora corner. And Jordaniana, it looks like it's done flowering for a while. That's a really, really pretty little specimen, very interesting cactus. This is a big, giant, crazy, big Lophophora. And this will be in my collection forever. Nobody will ever eat these cactus. And I grafted them just so they wouldn't have anything that would make people want to eat them. Because when you graft them, they automatically become completely weak and unactive. So if anybody tried to eat them, pretty much nothing would happen. Upset stomach and probably just a horrible taste. But once you graft them, they don't have the same kind of stuff as they do whenever they grow in nature. So here's a couple more flowers. These ones flower a lot. This one's called the double header. And this one's called Caspiatosa. It's a Lophophora as well. It reminds me more of like a sea urchin or like lichen that grows on a rock or something. Really, really, really slow growing cactus. And this is a mother plant that I ordered from Ukraine before they had a war. I ordered some cactus from there, and the guy that sent me this is the same guy that sent me this for free. And if he's watching out there, thank you, man, for the free cactus. And so anyway, that's pretty much what we have going on in the garden today. And we have this super blue cactus that I've been watching and keeping an eye on. It grows a little slower than the rest, but very, very dense and stocky and just classic, very classic looking. That one will be growing for years to come. And this, Burgessii, this is one of our seedlings that I had grafted. So I graft everything to a PC pretty much. Unless it's a smaller cactus like a Lophophora. The smaller Lophophoras, I like to graft them to one of these guys. I forgot what this is called, but I got that from my Ukrainian friend as well. And it works really good for grafting because it grows super, super, super fast. But anyway, that was a good little walkthrough and a good little show. And last but not least, I'll leave you with